Hello, let's discuss about the global mica mining and its effects on human lives. First of all, what is mica? Mica comes from the Latin word micere, which means to shine or glitter. Muscovite, commonly known as mica, is the name given to a group of minerals that are physically and chemically similar. These layers are called sheet silicates because they form in distinct layers, as you can see in the given below pictures. What are the properties of mica? Mica is a lightweight, flexible, and strong mineral. It is able to resist extremely high temperatures or sudden changes in temperature. Also, it can withstand high voltages and insulate with low power loss. Chemical properties of mica. Mica is chemically very inert and does not react to water, acids, oils, or solvents. It can absorb or reflect light, which provides a decorative effect and protects against the ultraviolet rays. Now, what are the uses of mica? The industries that involve the usage of mica are the cosmetics and personal care industry, the electronics industry, the paints and coatings industry, the construction industry, the automotive sector, and the rubber manufacturing industries, to name a few. In the cosmetics and personal care industry, they primarily use it for the pearlescent pigments which are based on the muscovite mica flakes which make the beauty products look and feel more luxurious. Mica is used in the manufacture of various cosmetic products like the blush, highlighters, sunscreens, lotions, lipsticks, mascaras, and foundations, etc. Coming to the electronics industry, mica is particularly used for the purpose of electronic insulation. Mica exceeds all comparable materials due to its extremely high temperature resistance and its low coefficient of thermal expansion. It is said that mica is nature's most perfect insulator. Mica is found in many everyday electrical and electronic consumer items, including toasters, hair dryers, and LED lights. It can also be found in more complicated applications such as the lithium ion batteries as well as in highly precise defense and aerospace industries. How do they extract mica? Mica mining is mainly of two types, the open pit mining and the deep shaft mining. In the open pit mining method, mica is extracted using deep mining techniques. A deep pit is dug using the excavation machinery and mica is extracted using hand tools and manual labor. It is a very labor extensive process. In deep shaft mining method, a shaft is pushed vertically from top to bottom to excavate the mica ores. The shaft is driven at suitable angles to ensure safe and effective mining. Small explosive charges may be used to shake the mica to free it from the host rock. In the given pictures, the first picture depicting the open pit mining method and the second picture depicting the deep shaft mining method. This flowchart shows the conversion of crude mica into its final products.
Hazards of extraction. Miners must travel deep into mining shafts and the work is hard and dangerous. Workers pick the mica that has been separated into individuals on the mine face or the ore piles, break the conobium of mica and gang with a hammer and then select the mica. The industries provide poor working conditions and low production efficiency. The hazardous work environment negatively impacts their health and causes diseases such as tuberculosis, skin infection, respiratory infection, asthma, and also head injuries are not uncommon. Mica may contain small amounts of heavy metals such as arsenic, lead, or mercury, which can affect you when breathed in. Repeated high exposure to dust can irritate the lungs and may cause lung scarring or fibrosis. Exploitation of child labor. The controversy surrounding mica lies in the process of attaining it. The term blood mica was coined by Thomson Reuters in 2016, referring to the fatalities of child workers in India's ghost mines. Investigations found that many mica mines there were made illegal due to the difficult and unsafe conditions. Though it was discovered they were still in use and were being mined by young children. Small children were then sent down to the mine for the mica as their small bodies made it easier for them to navigate the narrow, treacherous mines and access hard to reach places. Despite the fact that the value of mica exports from India is around 71.3 million US dollars, the children working in the mines only make 20 to 30 rupees per day. The estimate of how many children were working in the mica mines in India was released by the Center for Research on Multinational Corporations in 2018, and at that time the number was around 22,000. In 2016, 7 children died. However, because mining is illegal, local officials frequently cover them up, thus making an actual fatality count rather difficult. Alternatives of mica. Synthetic mica, also known as synthetic fluorphogophite, mimics natural mica shimmering effects without harming the environment. It's one of the best solutions when it comes to ethics because it's synthesized in labs by allied professionals with no children involved. It's biodegradable, its particles have softer edges, and it even tends to be brighter and more consistent when it is used in beauty products. Other considerations in choosing synthetic mica include quality and price. Next to natural and synthetic mica, some pearlescent pigment producers are using other substrates as basic ingredients and sometimes as significant portion of total additives. A high commercial acceptance for new substrates like glass, silicon dioxide, and alpha aluminum oxide flakes was mentioned, as these flakes show lower optical absorption and additional advantages like special color effects.
In the end, we want to conclude by saying that rather than using mica based products, we would recommend you to use the other alternatives of mica. Thank you.